Stock of phrases. To show white feathers. To show fear. A feather in the cap. A very good achievement. A good Samaritan. A really kind man. To rise like a phoenix. To start afresh from a low position. To meet one's Waterloo. To meet one's defeat. To have cold feet. To be reluctant. To raise a dust. To create confusion. To bring home the bacon. To be successful. To carry the day. To win after a long effort. To stick to one's gun. To maintain one's point against all opposition. Come cap in hand. Very humble. Man of iron. A man of strong willpower. Man of straw. Insignificant. Man of letters. Scholar. To have several irons in the fire. So many engagements at a time. At a low key. At reducing. At crossroads. Be in confusion because of many choices. At stake. In danger. To die a dog's death. Unheroic death. To fire on all cylinders. To exert with all force. To break the duck. To begin. To play ducks and rakes. To squander money. A big shot. Important person. A boon in disguise. A benefit in loss. A cry in the wilderness. An irrelevant effort. To beat about the bush. To talk about unimportant things. To sound a red alert. To make alert. Rise from ashes. To rise high from low. To put the cat among pigeons. To be placed in a wrong situation. Cut the Gordian knot. To perform a difficult task. To talk shop. To talk nonsense. To turn a deaf ear. To disregard. To gain ground. To become more general. Through thick and thin. Under all circumstances. To have finger in the pie. To do something in an affair. To have one's heart in the right place. To be kind. My hands are full. I am busy. To give someone a peace of mind. To scold. To kick up a rope. To make great noise and fuss. To bury the hatchet. To make peace. To set the Thames on fire. To do some remarkable or surprising things. High and dry, isolated. Stranded. To be at the end of one's tether. To have no resources left. Odds and ends, various articles. A hotline, direct telephone line between heads of states. To shoot a line. To exaggerate about one's success. To read between the lines. To understand more than the actual words. To feather one's nest. To provide money even dishonestly. To blackball. Prevent from doing something. To be in the black of one's money. To be in the credit. A blue book. A government report. To paint the town red. To celebrate noisily in public places. To make no bones about something. To do or say a thing openly if it is unpleasant. Pull the wool over somebody's eyes. To deceive. To have several iron in the fire. To have many tasks or many pieces of work. To keep one's fingers crossed. To remain anxious. Wishing good. For somebody. To keep one wolf away from the door. To keep off poverty from oneself. A red letter day. An important day. To work like a dog. To work very hard. To foot the bill. To make payment. Bone of contention. Cause of quarrel. To beg a description. Beyond description. To play a second fiddle. To act as a subordinate to do the secondary role. Cut no ice. To make no effect. Under a cloud. To be in bad book. Once and for all, forever. Oily tongue. One who flatters. Hand in glove. Close friendship. Hole and corner policy. Improper policy. Far and wide. All around. Far and away. Certainly. Fair weather friends. Friends only in good days. Indeed. Really. Face value. Superficially. Fancy price. High price. Stick one's neck out. To take risk. To put a spoke in one's wheel. To disturb. To brown study. In reverie. Moot point. Controversial point. To plow a lonely furrow. To do without anybody's help. Bring home. To emphasize. Make hay while the sun shines. To make best use of the favorable opportunities. Rank and file. Common man. Talk through one's hat. Talk nonsense. To lead one by the nose. To cause to follow blindly. To explore every avenue. To try every method. At the drop of a hat. For no reason at all. To kick one's heels. To waste time. To smell something fishy. To feel that there is something wrong. To get away with. To escape. All agog. In a state of excitement. Adam's ale. Ordinary water. One's cup of tea. What one likes and can do well. In a flutter. In a state of nervous excitement. A chip of the old block. Characteristics of one's ancestors. A close shave. A lucky escape. Blow hot and cold. To be inconsistent. A bull in the china shop. An awkward. Tactless or clumsy person. To have the flow. To make a speech. A case in point. An illustrative case connected to the subject of discussion.